Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. So how is everybody doing? Happy New Year again. For those of you that are new or coming back, Happy New Year. Hopefully 2021 will be a whole lot better for us because last year it didn't exist. So we went from 2019 to 2021. Anyway, I will link my first video of the year up in this little corner up here. That's for Ipsy December and January unboxing. I got my hair sticking up. That's okay. And my glasses. If you see me messing with my glasses, they just won't stay in my damn face. Anyways, we'll get started today. Today we're doing a Walmart beauty box unboxing. So we're doing this one here. And I really like Walmart's boxes. They're $5 and that's for shipping. So all the items inside the box are complimentary, or they're pretty much like samples that they're probably given to Walmart, and Walmart's like, let's just give them out this way by creating a box and having them pay for the shipping. But as companies give us products, we're just gonna ship them all out, which is not bad. I really like their boxes. And they also have 2 winter limited edition boxes that I'm going to be ordering today. They're about $13. Both boxes have similar items, but there might be a few that are changed up. I know one has like a candle and something by Elf, and it's worth it. For me, it's worth it. So I'm ordering those 2. I might order a couple more and give 2 of them away. So let's see how that comes out. So again, Walmart beauty box, $5. All you do is pay for shipping. Everything else is complimentary because it's not free because you're paying for the shipping. So that's Walmart Beauty. Comes with a little pamphlet. And then it lets us know what's inside. Oh, and I kind of like what I see. And then these are all the items that are inside. So we'll go through them each. So the first item on this list is something I really love. Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. I love this stuff. I buy this. I buy the really big bottle for like $20. And I know when I was exercising and losing a lot of weight, I would use this after a shower and it would just help. Maybe it was all in my head, but it seemed to help my stretch marks. And I use it. And every now and then, if I have my face is really, really dry, what I do is I'll put some of this bio oil at night, right before I go to bed. And it just absorbs into my skin. It makes me feel better. And it has a pleasant scent. So it says the full size, which is 1.7 ounces of this, is $6, but this is a gel, so it might be a little different. I use like this, the oil, and that's like $22, like this bottle. Anyways, that's the first item. The second item is called My Bite Vitamins. The full size 60-day supply is $11.96, and this says only 25 calories, just 3 grams of sugar, and is that it? Satisfy your sweet tooth with a complete multivitamin enrobed in chocolatey goodness with layers of caramel, peanuts, and nougat. Do they have different? Oh, so it's a variety pack. There's 4 of them in here. And they have My Bite Hers, My Bite Energy, My Bite Multi, and My Bite Calcium. So those are the different ones they have. Now, I take a vitamin every day, and I already took my vitamins, so I don't want to eat these. But hopefully they're good. I don't mind swallowing a pill, and my vitamins cost me about $10. I think it's about 60 or 30-day supply. But I know there's some people that can't swallow pills, like my son. He cannot swallow pills for the life of him. He gags. So putting items like vitamins into something that's chewable, something delectable, will help people take their vitamin, which there's a lot of people out there that can't swallow a pill. The next item is a Cetaphil Healthy Glow Daily Cream. The full size is $16.97. I do use Cetaphil, so I recommend this. This is nice to throw in your purse. You know, take it with you or keep it at your desk if you're working, or even keep it like by your kitchen sink. These are good to have. And again, $16.97 for the full size. I know that. So the next item is number 7 Retinol 1.5% Complex Night Concentrate. And I use this as well. I used to use this. I don't use it right now because I have a lot of sample stuff of everything else. And the full size for 1 ounce is $35. And yeah, that is true. And this is what the box looks like. And this is what the sample looks like. That's a nice size sample. Considering this box is only $5, and that's because you paid for the shipping. Which you're probably making a buck or two, because I can't see this box being $5 a ship. But then again, they probably just said everybody pays $5 flat, and it ends up being, it all works out. The next item is Creme of Nature Perfect Edges. Now I got something similar to this, the last box. I sent that to Jocelyn. I believe I sent it to Jocelyn. I hope I sent it to Jocelyn. And this is a full size item. Yep, because the full size is 2.2 ounces and it's $5. So you get your money's worth, really. You always get, I believe you always get one full size item, and it's always worth it. Ooh, that's what it looks like. And that's $5. And the last item is a sample, and it is, what is this? Cantu Avocado Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. The full size, which is 12 ounces, is $6, and they gave us a sample packet. Actually, I'll use this too. So I really like this box. That's everything in the box, you guys. Let me know what you think of the box. I will link down below if you want to go ahead and get your box. They come like right after the season, so we won't see spring's box till like maybe April, May. I always think it's my summer box, but it's always my spring box. And you get goodies, and if you don't use everything, you can always just give it away. I'll try the vitamin out, and everything comes in this nice box. Again, we got the argan oil from Morocco, this gel, the number 7 night concentrate. Then we get the My Bite vitamins, and we get the bio oil gel oil. Yeah, I really love this stuff. And we have the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner, which I need because my ends are so dry, nasty. I think I have to cut off like 3 inches or more of my hair. Might end up with short hair. And then we get the Cetaphil. And that's everything that came in this box. Again, I will link everything down below so you can go ahead and get your box. I am going to be ordering a couple of these boxes for $13. I already have it up. I'm gonna probably buy one of each, and I'll give it away because this one has some good stuff in here. It has something called they have an elf product in there. They got cleanser and vitamin, what is that? They have Vital Proteins Lavender, which I love that stuff. They have a full-size nail polish, a full-size elf facial mist, and lip color. So yep, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get both these boxes, and I'll end up giving one. You know, I might buy one because they look like there's duplicates. So I'll buy both boxes and end up with one, and I'll give that away. But that's it, everybody. That's all I have for the beauty box. As you can see, I have more boxes that I have to be opening up, so I'll be getting started on this. So I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for being here. Again, comment down below and let me know how your day is going, and let me know what you think of the box, and all the information will be down below. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, although I haven't been posting lately because I am changing up the content to my I'll still be bringing subscription boxes, but I'm also going to be doing something else that I have always loved my entire life, and it's actually would be pretty interesting to talk about stuff. So thank y'all for being here. Until next time, hasta laters.